Hey, good day everyone. I'm super excited to bring you this replacement battery for my Kobalt hedge trimmer. Here's a look at it. The nice thing about this is this fits the Kobalt hedge trimmer and other Kobalt products that fit this battery. But the nice thing is it's a lot cheaper. It's a fraction of the price of an actual Kobalt brand battery. It's got a little battery level indicator on it too. Come right out of the box full. That's really nice. There's a look at it. There's the specifications on it. All right, there's the Kobalt hedge trimmer there. Here's the battery. Just gonna slide it right in there. There we go. If you want to take it out, just push that button, pop it right out. All right, I absolutely love having a spare battery for this Kobalt hedge trimmer. This thing's working out great. Thanks for watching, everybody.